Now that our Pi is complete, let's upload it to your cloud and interact with it. First, click the Cloud button in the top right corner. If you're on a plan higher than Basic, you can choose to save your Pi either locally on your device or to the cloud. Next, choose where you want to save it. You can save it to your personal space or a team space. If you're saving it to a team space, make sure to select the correct project. Now click Save. Once the upload is complete, you'll get a cloud link to preview your prototype or copy it to share with others. A great way to test your prototype, spot improvements, and understand every interaction is by using our Handoff feature. Check out the link in the description of this video to see more information about the Handoff feature. And just like that, your interactive prototype is ready to share, test, and hand off, keeping all the polish and detail just the way you designed them. From drag and chain triggers to tap, jump, fling, focus, and playback, you've now seen how every trigger comes together to create fully interactive, dynamic prototypes in ProtoPie.